Alexa, turn on light. Okay.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light. Okay.
Okay.
Sweet. If you feel like you need a little more control in your life, then this is a solution for you. The only appliance that's actually going to listen to you. You're only going to have to set it up once in the Smart Life app, pair it one time, and you're done. You now have control. What's up guys, 𝐵enJD here from 𝐿𝐵𝐸𝐸𝐻, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Wi-Fi Smart Socket. It does work with Amazon Alexa. Now the only reason I know that is simply because the box says so. Let's shred it open. Now I did buy a set of 4 simply because I want to automate my entire room. This is going to be awesome. Wi-Fi Smart Devices, User Manual. Alright, so there is an application that you gotta download called Smart Life. I do believe you're gonna have to do it on the Amazon Alexa app. You may be able to do it from the App Store or also the Google Play Store. I don't know. I'm gonna find out. Bow. Bow. Cool. Okay, so the thing I like about this smart plug is that it's more attractive and more portable than this one. This is the Belkin Wemo switch I used to own. I'm gonna disown you very quick, my friend. Anyways, it's very similar in terms of function, but the only difference is this one looks better and it is more compact. So I'd prefer this switch over this one any day. The power button on this plug is currently blinking, which means it is in pairing mode. You do want to download the app Smart Life. Adding a new device in quick connection, open the app and click add device or the plus button to add a device. Select electrical outlet in the list of devices. Confirm indicator rapidly blinking. It is currently rapidly blinking. Hold the button for 5 seconds until the indicator light rapidly blinks 2 times per second. If not, try again. I do believe that is it. It's blinking about twice per second. How to sync with Alexa. Link Smart Life account to Alexa. Go to the home menu on Alexa app, select skills in home menu, search Smart Life on the search windows, and tap enable to enable the Smart Life skill. In the link page, input your Smart Life account and password and tap link now. Control smart devices through Alexa. Echo needs to discover your smart devices before it controls them. You can say Alexa, discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take up to 20 seconds. If you haven't already, please enable the Smart Home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app.
Alexa will discover devices in about 20 seconds. Let me know when you're done.
I found one new plug called Light.
Perfect.
To control it, say, turn off light.
Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
Bow. If you change the device's name on Smart Life app, Alexa must rediscover it before you control them. You can set up groups on Alexa app to control. Okay, so I am going to assign a group called Office Control. We're going to be able to control the lights, the AC, and also the sprinklers outside. By the way, if you're unaware of this, you are able to schedule the timing these appliances cut on. Say for example, I'm in the office around 7:30 and I want the light to turn on at 7:30. I could actually schedule it inside of the app to do so. Okay, so if you're interested in this product, I will have a link down in the video description below. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Anyways guys, 𝐵enJD here from 𝐿𝐵𝐸𝐸𝐻. Come on now, I'm out.